Hello guys, welcome to Axe Electric tutorial video. In this script is very useful for generate and earn money through the post share. This is the original file of Axe Electric script. Now I am extract here. Now is extracted and you can see the documentation file under Axe Electric version 1015. All the important files have in this folder. Now I am check the documentation. This is the documentation folder. I click to see what inside in the documentation. See, the documentation had how to install the AdSense script. And AdSense what add and how to set the settings and etc. And how to set the withdrawal methods and what it had and how to edit the email configuration and how to set payout rates and include what and how options add admin panel. It's all in the AdSense documentation. And now I am select all files and move to public_html directory. Now it's all transferred to the directory folder. Now I am for the website. Now you can see the installation page. The first step is welcome to the wizard, and I click the next step. In this step you can enter the MySQL database details like localhost and username, etc. And click the next step. During the next step, all the database tables records are insert in your given database. It takes a few seconds, and then it successfully created table, and then I click the next step. And this step you can create a admin user login password. The username I enter admin, enter the email, now is successful created admin user, and then I click the login folder. In this area you can see delete install folder, otherwise home page not open, because it's completed the installation folder. You must need a delete the install folder, and the one step is balanced. Then click the login button. Now it's open. Now we have entered the login page, and the balance step I do it and delete the install folder, and then I log in the register admin username password. Now I am entered dashboard. This section we see later. We first we see the admin panel. The admin panel is the must for all the purpose because it had all the controls and settings through the script. I enter the settings. Now you can see the site name, SEO meta title, keywords, description. All those things are used for your Google search engine and meta tags. All you need to search, all useful for your search console. And then this is the close registration. This is used for in case you set a yes, new users can't register, and this is the maintenance mode. This mode you can enable. If you enable it, the home page of the site is not displayed. Now see, I enabled, and this area you what you want to display the user during the maintenance mode, you enter. I just enter the I entered it and save it. Now it's changed successfully. You can see the home page. Now I'm changing the maintenance mode, and then I just click the refresh. It's all blank, and what you set in the maintenance mode message only displayed. Now I am disabled. And I refresh again, back is all fixed. And another option is display cookie notification bar. In case this option is for this cookie notification alert. If you want yes, if you not want, click no and save that. And then this display home page statics count. If you want display this display home page static counter is used for home page. If you enter the home page, you can see the site statistics, how many people are registered, how posts are created, and how views are counted. If you enable it, you can see. Otherwise you not enable it, this area is not displayed to user. And this display home page payment proof. This payment proof is here. This is also you want to enable it. It's displayed here. If you don't want to display here, just select the no option and save it. This is not displayed. And the another category is currency. In this category, the currency is mainly used for all the script, all inside the script. You where you see the dollar currency, like money value, all the money value. You what I said just the currency. The currency value where is used for your admin dashboard and withdrawal and user publisher dashboard, all area it will be displayed. You can see the money value is dollar and the decimal values are after the decimal it's added 2 digits. If I want to change that to Indian currency symbol and I want to after the decimal point is digits of 3 and save it and refresh it, it will be changed. Which country you are, you just change your currency symbol and how digits you want, just enter it. And the other category is design. This design, it's the logo area. If you want to set a logo, you just enter the logo URL like this. It will be changed here, and then this logo alternate this it will be displayed in the login register area, and this favorite URL this is displayed in the wave icon like this, and this home banner URL. In this area, which image you want to display, just enter the URL. It will be displayed in the home page like this image. And then inner page banner URL. In this image displayed in the inner side of the pages like this area. And then footer image, in this it will be displayed in the footer of the page in all pages like this area. And then other option is earnings. This earnings, it will be increase your earnings rate. The proxy VPN prediction is used for anyone enter in the proxy or VPN. It will be detect and that count are not valid, because it's very useful for the owner of the site. And this is ad block. If anyone enter this area, I will discuss in the later. And this area integration, this integration mostly used for meta tags and extra scripts like this. It code code what you enter, it will be displayed in the home page header, and this area what you enter, it will be displayed in the member area, publish area header, and this area what you enter is displayed in the admin panel header code, and this footer code which will be displayed in the all footer like home, authentication and publisher and admin panel, all area it will be displayed. And this after body, if you want to enter any tag after the body tag, you will be enter it. and then and then we see about blog. The blog it also we see later on this social media. If you add social media for your website, just enter the URL like a Facebook page URL, Twitter profile URL, Google Plus URL. It will be displayed in the bottom of those icons. All the basic settings are explained, and then the important one is ads. I am also explain later. And then withdraw. This is the most important thing is in the script. If you want to enable withdrawal, it just yes or no, it will be displayed in the admin can request a withdrawal or not. In case I select no and save it, the withdrawal request button it's not displayed here. And this withdrawal business days, with how many days you have, just enter it. It will be displayed in this, and then minimum withdrawal amount. It will be displayed in the home page. Yeah, it will be displayed in here. And the other option is add a withdrawal methods and edit it. I already created the 3 withdrawal methods. If I am just enter the name, it will be if you want to display it in the admin profile area, if you want to display in the profile area, you can just enable it. Otherwise you want to disable it, and you set the minimum withdrawal of this payment method, and you will be enter the logo URL of the payment method and what you want want for the withdrawal processor. Just enter it, and this logo URL will be displayed in the bottom of the pages like this, and you can delete and save it. If you want to set a position like this, if I'm just drag and drop, it will be changed, and then I click, it will be changed. Like if you see the first one is Google Pay and second one is Paytm. If I'm set the Paytm is first, I just drag and tap to the bottom of the all this, and then I refresh it. It will be above it. All this is set, and then important thing is email. The email is very needed for the and this is very useful. This is very important because of the user registered after the email verification and the password reset. All the mails are needed. um, this area admin mail, if you want to display the forgot password mail and email verification mail, you just enter what mail id you want to display, just enter it. And from email id what you displayed it, just enter it. And what name of the mail, just enter it. And this is the important one. And if you select the php mail function, it will be based on your hosting is a good one. It will be the sending mails are not a spam, not create a spam mail, otherwise it will be create a spam mail. Sometimes your user can't check in the sended mail. So we strongly recommended use smtp. SMTP is a good one for the sending mails. If you select the SMTP, set the security connect SSL or TLS and select the outgoing host and enter the outgoing port and SMTP username, password, all you set. It will be connection is perfect, your mail is sent, otherwise your mail not sent, some errors are occur. If you once you enter the SMTP configuration, save it and check it the mail. And the another one is payout rates. Payout rate is the important one. In this payout rates, I'm just what country you provide the payout rate. If I'm set in India, I'm select India. In this area, you can set payout rates in country wise and device wise. Like I'm select Indian country. You can see the mobile visitors coming through mobile. The owner of the post creator earn 100 other, and then users coming through the desktop, the owner of the post creator earn 150. In case you not set amount for those country like this 00, you set the worldwide. The worldwide you set 100. In any other country you set 0. That user coming from the desktop, he can get this amount. And the other one is user. In this you can see how many users register in your website, and you can edit the user details and edit the user and view the user details like username, email, and how which date he created the account and how he earned now, and what withdrawal methods, and account details and profile details, all you see and edit. The user entered in the profile page. and the other one is blog. You can add the blog like a title, slag, and if you want to publish or not, and set a short description and description, meta tags, meta description. All you want to create a blog post like this, and all the blogs or edit and delete or add something what you need to changes. You can do it in this list, and the pages also same, and the announcements also same, and the main thing is menu manager. The menu manager is used for must thing. If you can see the home payout rates, payment proof, it will be displayed in the this area, this home page, authorized page, all the pages it will be displayed, not displayed in the publisher dashboard and admin dashboard. It will be displayed in the newcome users for very useful. You cannot see a login and register in here, but I created in here. How it's working, if you create a menu, just enter the title of the menu and link, and this is the important one. If you set all type of user can see the menu. In case you only click the guest, the visitors, unlogged users only can see the menu. If you set the only logged in, if the user logged in, sign in, that user only see that menu. This option is very useful for the users, and also you can set a position like before we do it. And the other one is static table. The static table is a very important one, because we can see later this all this all the admin settings are we can overall covered, and we now we can see a member area. First we create a post, and just create the post here. What you want to set the title of the post, I just click the Tamil movies, and then this editor is very useful for the beginners on unknown HTML users. Also anyone can do it easily, create a perfect post. Like if I'm create a Tamil movies, and then if you want to set a bold letter, I just click the bold, and I also italic letter, I just click italic. I want to underline the text and underline, and then I want to set the heading of the page, I just header, and I want to align the center of the post, I just click the center, and then I want to set the color of the text, I just pick the red. All I need, and all I want to, I can easily set. Just click the option buttons, and then I want to set a link, just click here and enter the URL under the display of the word, and I want to set the image, like click here and enter the URL of the image, and set the position of where it was displayed in. And the important one is YouTube. If any video of YouTube, you just copy and paste it here. It will be automatically embedded in this post. And copy this and paste it here. Just video URL and OK it. The video automatically embedded it. If you want to adjust the size, just before the embedded the video, just adjust the size. And then important thing is, if you want to send a code for your friends, just click the this is if I'm enter the PHP code, it not occur any problem to my script. If you want to enter any code you want to, just click it and here it and create it. Now it's created. I just copied the link. I just paste the copied link. You can see the timer. If you control the timer, with how many seconds you want to display here, just click here and set the timer. If you set a 40, the people waiting for the 40 seconds. And this is the force ad block. If you if I'm enable the ad blocker, this is not displayed. The pop-up of ad block alert will be displayed. And then I click the get post. It will be what I created the post, it will be displayed here. If I'm created the post and visited the post, it will be counted in the dashboard. You can see one view, 150 Indian rupees. How we calculate the 150? Because the payout rate, I am from India, I am coming in India and visit this post from India, so it's calculate the 150. If I am coming from mobile, it's added 100. But I'm coming from desktop, so it added 150. And also I check the static table. This static table, which time this record created, and owner of the user, and the IP address, and the country code, and the device type, and the publisher EN. And you can delete it, this amount, and edit this. And then we can set the ad of the get post page. Now I just said hello, it will be displayed in admin area, and then this also displayed in get page code. If you just entered hello, if you want to paste any add code, JavaScript or HTML tag, what you want, and just enter the hello tag. First thing, the member area, and just refresh this member area. The hello is displayed here, and then I refresh this shorten link. The hello will be displayed here, 1, 2 and 3. This banner 7 to 8 into 90, 4, 16 to 60, 3, 3, 6 into 280. All these ad codes are displayed here. Okay, fine, it's all perfect. And the another thing is withdraw, and another thing is all poster. The all post section, all the user created the poster displayed here. You can edit, you can delete, all you want, just do it. And the another thing is withdrawal. You can see the available balance of the user, and just I'm first set my profile, and then I request the withdrawal. First time set the profile. This billing address are not occur in the withdrawal option. This is the main thing. I set the Paytm. For Paytm, enter the number. If you set the PayPal, just just give it this area. For PayPal, add your PayPal email IDs, and then I just the Paytm. I just enter the Paytm like some numbers and submit it. My profile has been updated, and then I click the withdrawal. The minimum balance of the Paytm is 100, but I earned 150 rupees. So the withdrawal button is not here because we set turn off this. So I just click the withdrawal folder and then enable it. On this page I will refresh. And refresh here, it will be displayed here. I just click the withdrawal request. As my the publisher amount will be transferred to the pending withdrawal. You can see the status of the request. The admin can only approve or cancel return. Once the admin check the static table, the user first admin only set the approval, and then click a complete or want to cancel and return. The return option, if you click the return, this 150 again added to the user, available balance. So I click the complete. Yes, now it's completed. Refresh it. Now the status also changed, and then another option of the publisher table is change password. If you want to change a password, enter the current password, new password, and confirm password. If you want to change the email, this is the current email of the user. You can't change it, and enter the new email ID and confirm email ID on the support area. The support area, the user can contact to the admin or one of the website. Just enter the name or email, subject or message. It will be useful for the user and admin relationship. The another thing is home page. The home page add a more of contain more options like the payout rate. I click the payout rate. It will be displayed which country what you set. I set the India and Afghanistan. Both countries only had a values. The other countries are not add a values. They add 00. The payout rate values are 00. So it not displayed here. And the another thing is payment proof. The payment proof, it's a loyalty of your website. Now complete the withdrawal, so it will be displayed here. If the status of the payment is pending or cancelled, not displayed here, only the completed withdrawals only displayed here. And then another one is blog. I'm not creating any blog, so it's nothing to here. I'm just create a new blog and click add blog. It's just for the test here. The slug is automatically generated, so I'm just ignore it and then select the publish. The publish means it will be displayed or not, and just click the short description test and the main of content. Just click here and hit it, and the meta tags and meta description all you wish. Just click to submit it. This is created. If you want to see here and edit and delete, and just refresh this blog page, it will be displayed here. If I want to read more, just click it. The full page will be here, and just enter the test, so it will be display test. If you enter the 12 lines, 4 lines, or 2 paragraph or 4 paragraphs, it's all be displayed here, so it will perfectly work. This area also changes. First you see the UPI logo here, the first one. Now it's changed the last one because you set the position in the withdrawal methods, so it will be changed here. The another thing is home page. The home page is contain the main thing. Okay. This is why choose your site. It's a default one. What is at select the site name? If you set the site name like here, what you set here, it will be displayed in here and here, all the in here also, and all what the ad set is replaced to the what you set in the site name of the field. And this is the basic things, and this is the withdrawal option. This withdrawal option only contains the last 10 withdrawals. If you want to see more, it will be click here and see redirect to the payment proof page. If you want to not display to your user, just click and set no and save it. It not displayed here. And then other thing is growth. I'm also till here. Now I'm the only one registered user, and I created one post and view also one. It will be updated here. If I want to display it here, I'll just click ignore it. And the other one is get in touch. This area also send a mail to admin, but this area used to for a non-registered user, non-login user can send to contact admin. And the other thing is footer. It's we. The other thing is footer menu. This footer menu also click here menu manager and click the footer menu. If you want to change this footer menu also like a header menu, so I ignore it. And this also we see it. Other, I think all I'm done. The another one is blog. And set here settings and click here the blog. If enable the blog will be display here. If now set the no and save it, the blog is not display here. And the useful of the blog is display the blog post in the get post page and set the latest post and save it and refresh it. The post I created, the test, the blog. Wait 1 second. This blog will display here. In case I set a blog in random wise, it will be displayed here in all the blogs you created. It will be displayed in random wise, so it will be used for users and it will be used in AdSense approval. Okay, all I did. Thank you for watching this, and download link in description. I know my English is not well, but I try my best, and I'm a Indian, and I know only in Tamil language, so forgive me for make this video in English. Thank you.